Hello and welcome to MTB Leicestershire with Luke. Today we're at Cademan Woods in Whitwick, Leicestershire. Let's go and explore.
Watergun. 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 One gun. Watergun. Watergun.
Why not?
Watergun. Why not?
Overthinking now. Blame it all on gangster rap, TV or the cinema. I just wanna say yes, couldn't really care less really. LOL to tears, living King Jong-illy. Really though, see me get borderline tragic. Cocktail bad habits turned burning black magic. Why not? Non-stop, everything ratchet. I just like the way it smells, not really an addict. Hazard? Why not? Fuck a high average. Why not? More shots, Grey Goose rampage. Blasted, lasted long enough, it's been damaged. 666, 66 shit, bastard. Mastered all the wrong things and I'm bored again. Cliche classics, watch me keep ignoring them. Get my whole dosage on the takeaway. Gotta run, crush it all together, fuck it, put it in a
Watergun.
cocktailed all that shit 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 in a cocktailed all.
Just had a little bit of advice off a local walker. There's a trail down here to the left through the bushes. It links back round, comes all round here and back up. So let's see how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe, right hand corner. Right then guys, let's go play.
Cocktailed all that shit in a cocktailed all that shit in a cocktailed all that shit. Why not? Watch me go harder. Dying for these sins, man, I'm feeling like a martyr. Yes, obviously could've gone smarter. Gotta go YOLO though, flip that in a barter. Why not? Fill another cup and go larger. Usually regret the times that didn't go wilder. More, fuck a metaphor, I'll be straight like I'd rather black out than remember whack night. So like overhyped pilots can't buy me. Stick it to the man, turn up like Gandhi. Damn, burn it Bob Gnarly. Kamikaze high-end flexing full Monty. Man, should probably have a plan but I hardly. There's no tomorrow morning when I party. Dumber and retardly, stirred up like Farcon. Mixing all the bottles, fucking put it in a
Watergun.
cocktailed all that shit 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 in a cocktailed all that shit in a.
So I found a steep little descent over a load of slippy mossy rocks under a tree around the side of here. See if I fall off. Ooh. We fell off. It looks fun. Let's try and get back on. There we go. Right, it's just started thundering. I found a new line down from another line that I've been doing. It's a bit steeper. There's a few more jumps involved. Let's see how it goes.
That shit in a cocktailed all that shit in a cocktailed all that shit.
Watergun. Watergun. One gun. Watergun. Watergun.
near the top of the highest rock in Cademan woods that I can find. There is a thunderstorm on the way, but that shall not put me off. This is a trail called Brap Your Mum in Cademan Woods. Let's go. So it's absolutely pissing it down. I think I'm just gonna try and find my way out. This has been MTB Leicestershire with Luke. Maybe I should have listened to the weatherman and not come out in a thunderstorm. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe in the bottom corner.